Velvet Justice Chronicles, 5-minute self-talk reset.
Take a slow breath in. Hold it gently. Now breathe out. Again, breathe in slowly and release it without forcing anything. For the next few minutes, you do not have to solve your whole life. You do not have to explain yourself. You do not have to defend your choices. You only have to return to your own voice. Someone may have taught you that your strength makes you difficult, that your success makes other people uncomfortable, that your standards are too high, that being unmarried means something went wrong, that being childless means your life is incomplete, that a woman should be grateful whenever someone chooses to stay, that those messages are not facts. They are beliefs that may have been repeated until they began to sound like truth. Take another slow breath. You are allowed to question them now. Say quietly to yourself, "My success is not a flaw. My intelligence is not a threat. My independence is not an apology. My position does not make me less feminine, less desirable, or less worthy of love. I do not have to make myself smaller so someone else can feel larger. I do not have to hide what I built. I do not have to pretend not to know what I know. My standards are not a punishment. Expecting honesty is not asking for too much. Expecting reciprocity is not controlling. Expecting respect is not arrogance. Expecting an adult to carry their share is not cruelty. A boundary does not make me cold. Clarity does not make me unlovable. I am allowed to notice when I am doing too much. I am allowed to ask, who is carrying this relationship? Who is solving every problem? Who is paying every cost? Who is apologizing after being hurt? Who is making excuses? Who is becoming exhausted so someone else can remain comfortable? I do not have to finance, manage, rescue, organize, or excuse another person to prove that I am loving. Love is not measured by how much of myself I can abandon. Generosity without boundaries is not proof of devotion. Being needed is not the same as being valued. Being depended on is not the same as being cherished. I can care about someone and still require accountability. I can understand their pain without accepting their mistreatment. I can recognize their insecurity without making it my responsibility. I can feel compassion and still say no. If someone tells me that no one else will stay, I will remember. Fear is not proof. Their warning is not my future. Their willingness to remain does not determine my worth. A person staying beside me while disrespecting me is not evidence that I am loved. Being unmarried does not mean I am unwanted. It does not mean I failed. It does not mean I waited too long. It does not mean I must accept less. My life is not unfinished because it does not follow someone else's timeline. Being childless does not make my life incomplete. My value is not measured by whether I became a mother. My care, influence, creativity, relationships, work, joy, and presence are real. My womanhood does not require proof. I release the belief that any relationship is better than being alone. I release the belief that leaving disrespect means I could not keep someone. I release the belief that endurance is always loyalty. I release the belief that loneliness is the worst possible outcome. There are forms of loneliness that happen inside relationships. There are forms of peace that begin after one ends. I am allowed to choose peace over performance, reciprocity over fear, dignity over appearances, truth over family approval, safety over being chosen. I can disappoint people who benefited from my lack of boundaries. Their disappointment does not mean I am wrong. Their anger does not mean I am cruel. Their confusion does not mean I owe them access. My life belongs to me. My money belongs to me. My labor belongs to me. My name belongs to me. My decisions belong to me. My future does not have to be negotiated with people who use shame to control me. I can be generous without being used. I can be loving without disappearing. I can be successful without apologizing. I can be single without being broken. I can be partnered without becoming responsible for another adult's entire life. Today I will not ask, what must I tolerate so someone will stay? I will ask, does this relationship allow me to remain honest, safe, respected, and fully myself? Take one more slow breath in. Hold it gently. Now breathe out. Place your hand over your heart, if that feels comfortable, and say, I do not have to shrink to be loved. I do not have to overgive to be chosen. I do not have to abandon myself to keep someone beside me. My success is not the problem. My standards are not too high. My life is not incomplete. I am worthy of love that does not require my disappearance. Breathe in and release. You do not have to prove your worth today. You only have to protect your relationship with yourself. Day by day, in every way, I am getting better, better, and better. And so it is.
If you enjoyed this Velvet Justice Chronicles 5-minute reset, please don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and leave a comment below. Subscribe, join the family, and let us know where you are watching and listening from. The lessons you learned, and your thoughts on how we can continue improving to give you the very best. Thank you.